Welcome back to the channel. In this episode of Kayaking with Cal Chando, we visit Shawnee, Oklahoma and the Twin Lakes, or as we found out, it's more like Triple Lakes. But who's counting?
Dude, they should have these in every lake.
They should.
Whew, man. Oh, you're right, man. These things should be in every lake, man. Where'd you put it?
Oh, crap.
Is it in the car?
It fell somewhere, I think.
All right. Whereabouts? All right, come back over here. Get back.
By the truck.
All right, let me go check, man. Just a sec. All right. No, it has to be up here somewhere, man. If it's showing in range, if it were underwater, you wouldn't get it.
Oh crap! Look at it.
Dude, where was it? It was on the back of the boat. Dude, you are Mr. Lucky.
Oh man.
All right. This does not bode well for our time here at Shawnee Twin Lakes. Luckiest man alive right there. He's like, it's in range. Where's it at, man? It's literally on the back of his boat about to fall off. On the edge. All right, at least this shows that, you know, if anything bad happens, at least there's a saving grace. So, man, we'll see. Oh, dude, there is nothing worse than the heart attack feeling of where the heck is my phone? Oh, that's all right. He can get it. All right, I'm in.
See how clear the water looks, man?
Oh, yeah.
Put the paddle in there, you can see your paddle. You can see your paddle is dripping.
No, you can't, man. I am going to pray there are no snakes.
Good.
Man, it feels good. That's about what, maybe 8 miles an hour, maybe? 5 to 8. But man, it feels good. Man, I really like this northern lake. This is the north side of Shawnee Lake.
Yep.
North Twin Lakes. I'm not even sure what. Lake 2. Which is really weird. You think north would be 1. I'm gonna pull up alongside you here and oh my gosh. Now talk about an awesome place to land. Look at this. And I'm gonna pan around a little bit. Got the cranes taking off over there. Now this beach looks a lot better. Oh, dude, this is way nicer. Look at that. Check out this. I hereby claim this little inlet as Chando Beach number 2. I hereby claim in the name of James Chandler. Chando's Adventure. Chando, kayaking with Cal Chando.
You're supposed to say hear ye. We made that rule.
No, you made that rule.
I just made it.
You just made that rule. Dude, this is the life right here, man. Look at this.
I'm liking this beach.
I'm liking this.
Lake.
Chando Beach number 2.
Yep.
I do reserve rights to rename it, though.
You got a bed frame over there.
That's Bigfoot's bed frame. Where do you think he mates with all the people he steals? You can actually see the bottom. You can see the rocks. It is a little squishy here. All right.
Here it gets better.
Yeah. Let me tell you what, though. It's like, what is it, 85 degrees out here? But we have cloud cover.
We have cloud cover. I'm going to say 80.
80, maybe. It's supposed to be 92 today.
Yeah.
But
right here it doesn't feel like
no, it ain't.
It's
oh,
nice.
man, watch out. There's a big old stick there.
Oh!
Man, dang you! Yeah, you should have heard this. We were at the other beach, and I thought I stepped on a snake. And man, dude, I think I hit a octave I didn't know I had.
3 octaves higher.
3 octaves. It was like something like that.
Oh man. Thanks, man.
Dude, that was hilarious, man. I was like, oh my gosh. Oh, ooh. Okay, I'm glad we were talking when it hit the nether region, because man, if I had been, oh yeah, oh, ooh.
Oh, but it feels good though, man. You gotta admit, it feels good.
It does.
This is our lake, man. Forget Draper, man. I think we do Draper from now on, like when we don't have much time.
Yeah.
This is Lake Murray.
This is like Lake Murray.
Man.
This is.
Look, you see my hands.
All right, this is Lake Murray-esque. Twin Lakes, North Lake number 2.
Yes.
Shawnee Twin Lakes, Lake number 2, the north side. This is the lake. This is the lake. You don't have a billion people around. Nobody.
The guy's fishing left.
I can stand up there in my Neptune costume and claim all this and tell people this is my lake, but no one would know because there's no one out here.
No one would care. They'd be like, yeah, you can have it.
All right, now, a lot of you know Mark is a man of God, and, you know, he's a preacher. And we were out here thanking the Lord that, you know, he provided this lake to us. Now, as we always say, you know, the Lord provideth when needed. I couldn't find my chair, but guess what we literally tripped over out in that water? Introduce to you
Chando's chair.
Chando's new chair. Now, I'm gonna need a lot more drinks to get the courage to sit in that thing, but you know,
Man, it's
ooh.
been there a while, hasn't it?
Hey, Lord provided. He didn't say it was gonna be a good chair, but hey, he provided a chair, nevertheless.
Yeah. Let's leave that alone.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone to dry and maybe get some 409 and some Lysol next time, man. We'll see. I know. I actually thought it was rebar out there. I tripped over it.
Yeah.
That's what I tripped over.
You made it.
Yeah.
You scream again.
Yeah. Hey, but I had legit concerns, man. That chair could have got me. Get an idea of what I was going through. I mean, look at this shoreline here. right, Mark. Don't get any bright ideas. I don't even see how far it goes. Can you see anything underneath there?
There's a lake on the other side.
Oh, man.
Can you see through there yet?
Not yet. I'm coming up beside you. Oh, I was... Oh, man. It must be angled down a little bit. Oh.
This one almost, man.
Oh, darn it.
Almost. Dude, almost. You know the issue with you?
Oh, yeah. We'd have to use our hands. Yo, Mark, how did you like scuff your forehead kayaking? You realize if you actually are able to do this, but you sit a lot lower than I do. Oh man.
Man, if I could just, you know what's in my way?
What?
My
Oh, your seat.
and
Oh, that's me too. I'd have to like hunch forward. Now here's a cool thing, if you fall out, oh my gosh, we totally can do this.
you got this on. Hold on.
Hold on, I will. Because Inscoe is in there.
Inscoe is going through the sewers.
Oh my god. Oh man, now I have to do it.
Oh, you can't be left behind, Mr. Competition.
Oh my god. Oh,
I'm clearing out the spider webs.
oh my gosh.
That's a big spider. That's a big spider. You know what? I'm sorry, sir, but you're gonna have to put that web some other time. Like for real, dude. Like I don't want to destroy your cobweb. You know. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Oh my gosh. I cannot get that low in mine. Oh, there we go. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. Woo. Dang, I cannot get that low. I'm sitting up too high, man. Okay. All right. Oh, yeah. There he goes. Oh yeah! Check it out, man! Woo! We are in the other lake.
There's like 3.
Hey, wait a second. This is a third lake.
I know. This is crazy. It's not twin, it's triplets.
It's Triplet Lake. He's right. It is not Shawnee Twin Lakes. It's Shawnee Triple Lake. I mean, because literally, we just went through there. Don't ask me how. Oh man, I missed a huge fish taking off over there.
That was insane. Dude, I bet no one comes over here.
Dude, no one can.
There's no place to land.
No place to launch, land, unless they're idiots like us and went underneath.
And here's the thing, we gotta go back under there.
Oh yeah, that's all right. Now that we know how to do it, man. This is beautiful. This is why you kayak. Oh, there he goes. Oh man, I wish I could caught it. Did you see the big buck? He was in the water getting a drink. Just right back there. He just ran into the woods. That's what that huge clunk was.
And if you go any further, you really are gonna have to paddle backwards. We're crazy.
Hey, you went down the other way. I'm gonna see. Dude, this thing goes on for hundreds of yards. Now, how the heck I'm getting out of here, that's a different story. That's what I'm hoping for. This is crazy. Well, I think I've hit the end of the road here. It keeps going, but it gets too shallow.
Shallow?
Yeah. Oh man, those little things, those are like birds. I'm just guessing where the heck I'm going. Where are you at? Huh?
Oh crap.
Man, we got an awful driver back here, man. I'm not even gonna look, man. I'm just sort of, it'll find its way, man. It'll stay to the water. Hey, we did it, man. Check that out.
We're getting good at kayaking backwards, aren't we?
Heck yeah, man. We got this.
Longboats too.
Heck yeah. I'm just gonna go backwards, man. I don't think there's enough room to turn around. There ain't enough room to turn. Oh, sorry.
Hold on, I got it.
Yeah, I mean, I'll just tow you. But check that out. I got it still. Hey, I almost got attacked by a chair and a stick.
Right over my head, man.
Ooh.
Right under it. Two of them, actually. What do you think?
I'm thinking you need to back out.
You want to go first?
Because I'm gonna take the wasp hit for you.
Take the wasp.
There we go. Oh, hecky darn, there's a whole bunch of them.
I'm telling you.
Hey, wait a second. All right, let me see. Oh,
It'll be on
hell.
YouTube later. He gets stung.
Oh, heck no. Oh, dude.
They weren't there earlier.
No, they are. Their wasp nest is right here. Like literally right there. Oh, crap.
Take the stink, man. Take the stink.
All right. It's a case. Ha-ha! And I didn't get killed. Oh. Victory.
Very nice wasps.
Yeah, they didn't kill us, thank God. Man.
Amazing.
Yeah, I'm surprised. That's why we didn't see them before, man. It was because they were at the far end. There's that big old hole that they were going into. Their nest is actually in there. Dude, your hand's gonna be tore up. Oh, this is nice. Thought I heard a hiss in there. I'm a little jumpy out here, man. Oh, man. Twin Lakes, man. I'm liking it. I am skimming along the surface here. There's a perfect spot to land, and we'll go check this out. But yeah, that's a, I mean, they got seats, they got garbage cans.
That is something else.
I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, it's not. I mean, this could be private property, and you know what?
Where's the house? Like, I was kind of, well, there's a driveway, it looks like, man.
You know, but look, I mean, they got grills over there off to the side. This looks like potentially public, but just no one comes out here. Man.
Right after we left the pavilion, we saw something splashing near a catfish line that didn't look like a catfish, and it was fighting to get free. It turned out it was a turtle.
He's right there.
Dude,
What?
it's a turtle.
Is it?
It's a turtle, man.
Is it a big old snap?
It's a turtle.
Oh man.
Look at that.
How big? I can't see. Oh man.
It's a turtle, bro.
Is it a big old snapping turtle?
Take a picture, man. You gotta get a picture of that.
Yeah, but is he caught on his foot?
It's caught on his foot, man.
Oh man.
It's on his foot, bro.
Oh.
We gotta release him, don't we?
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do it because that's a snapping turtle, man, but we'll see. Yeah, we gotta release him, man. We gotta release him.
Look, you're gonna have to push your paddle down on his head.
All right, actually, hold on. Guess what? We're gonna get him. I'll tell you how we're gonna get him.
Come out on the land.
Yeah, I'll show you. You wanna know why? All right. Yeah, it's all cool and stuff that people do this, but this turtle is caught on this. All right. You know what I saw? Up here? I got it. I got this. I cannot believe that I saw these. Oh my God, they're rusted. Dang it. All right. May have to improvise here. I mean, literally, had we not come across him, he could be
We had
dead.
not just been like, hey, let's see what's.
Yeah, let's pull him up on land because I'm gonna have to.
Here we go.
Here, and then I can put the paddle on top of him to stop him from.
Being vicious.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get the paddle. Let me get the paddle.
Yeah, get the paddle and then hold him down, and then we can try to get this out. These things are rusted shut. But yeah, you're gonna have to get down a little lower. All right. Oh, man. All right, I'm gonna have to look at it.
But it's really in it, maybe.
Yeah, it is. Oh God, buddy, I need to see how bad it is underneath there. Oh Oh God.
It's not that bad.
There it is.
Got it.
Got it. Okay.
Now let me.
All right, here. You know what? I'm just gonna pick him up and put him in there.
He'll snap at you, man.
No, not if I grab him this way. All right, buddy, you're good. You're good,
got this
man.
on video, right?
Yeah.
Woo!
All right, buddy, go.
Let me get him. Let me
Can't believe I got. Watch out! Don't get yourself caught in that.
Yeah.
All right. All right, buddy. Here you go, man.
Here we go.
Here, you want to video him? I'll put him in. Here.
He's gone. He's gone. Get him. He's gone. Here we go.
All right, buddy. Off you go, man. I'm glad I was able to get that. Good. He's good. All right.
You're welcome.
All right, man. Yeah. God. All right. Good deed done for the day, man. I can't believe that people, I mean, I know they didn't mean for it to happen, but that turtle could have died on there, and it was dug into his foot, and I had to pull it out. Yeah.
We did it, bro.
We did, man.
We did it, man. This is not all man-made, right?
I don't know.
There had to have been the 2 lakes and the big thing of rock in between.
Maybe.
The rock out.
It was definitely blasted. Well, I don't know if it was or not, because I don't see any blast marks.
Huh?
Look, there's no drills. This is natural. All right, I want y'all to get a sense of how fast we're moving. We're actually moving pretty fast. You must be beer tow duty.
Hot water today.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Water today. Beer was last night.
Oh, yeah, I can't do the beer in the sun. I just can't do it.
Man, you got your GoPro?
Oh, my God. Mark got me good, man. Oh,
Not that you deserved it for anything.
man,
I was
left.
dumb. I left my phone on the. Where's my
Oh,
phone?
oh my God, my G. Okay, see, this did. I mean, it was a good, but it had to. Let's just hope that was the third thing. No, the second one was we. The second bad thing was the turtle. So the third
turtle,
one was
yeah.
the go. I left my GoPro on the back of the boat when we took off, but he saw it and got it. And then we're going down the road, and he goes, "Dude, where's your GoPro, man? You got your GoPro?" And I was like, "Oh crap." Oh man, it's back. I was like, oh man. And he pulls it out from the side. He had pulled it, thank God, off the
Dude,
boat.
I was on the way till we got all the way to your house and be like, hey man, you did get your GoPro, right?
You know, it would have been like, well, all that footage,
It's in
oops.
Shawnee Lake.
It's in Shawnee Lake. Thank God he found it. For those of you who want to have a map reference of where this video is shot, I'm going to zoom in on Shawnee, Oklahoma here. Well, right now we're in Shawnee, Oklahoma at Twin Lakes. I'm going to zoom out so you can see the reference to Oklahoma City on the far left. It's approximately about 30 to 40 miles from Oklahoma City. Now you can zoom in here. There is Lake Thunderbird. There's West Watkins where I did a video. There's Shawnee, and here is Twin Lakes. Now, first thing I'm going to point out to is I'm going to get my project going, and I'm going to take us to the kayak launch, which you can see the photos on the upper right. The kayak launch is really at the entrance of lake number 2, which is the North Lake, and you can see it's I've got the pictures there showing exactly, so you can see where they were at in the video. Then we're going to go to the canal, which is at the end of the video but is right by the kayak launch. That's about a quarter-mile between both lakes, and it connects it.
And it's actually pretty, but sometimes in low water season it's impassable and they close it. Now this is lake number one, which is the South Lake. Now it actually is the recreational lake, so you can allow some swimming in certain areas right there, and some boat traffic. Now lake number 2, that is actually where we had our video, and lake number 2 is the lake which is supposed to be the Sportsman's Lake for fishing and I guess hunting out there. I guess there's no swimming as we understand it. We only found this out after we left. Okay, here is what I call Chando Beach, number 2. That's where I found my Neptune's chair, my little throne, and Bigfoot's bed. So if you want to ever find that, it's still out there. Now across from that is the pavilion, which we walked up on and looked around. It's actually a public pavilion where you can have picnics and such. There's a road right there to the left. Now it was also on that beach where we rescued Mr. Turtle, and I'm glad he's doing okay. We did put the bait line back out, so we didn't want to disturb the fisherman's property, but we did want to save that turtle. And then a little bit down here, this is the causeway on the North Lake between what I call lake number 3. This is where we actually went underneath, so you can see that it's not a very big area, but that causeway is closed. If you really zoom in on it on Google Maps, you can see that. Now the small little Triple Lake, lake number 3, there's a lot of bass out there. We saw jumping fish everywhere. But now if you want to, in this map you can see it looks like it was very dry and very low at the time, but here right there where I'm pointing out, that's where we were way down there still kayaking right now. So this map is out of date. So that's where we're at approximately, and hopefully you enjoyed the video.